Jerry here from Hobby Wholesale. Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to talk to you about the entry-level RC cars available from ARRMA, a 1/10 scale ARRMA Granite more specifically, and also its sister vehicle, the Sentin 4x4. These are a couple of the vehicles that we like to present to individuals as a good place to start for people not looking to spend a whole lot of money or for people starting out. Great way to get a good entry-level hobby grade vehicle without spending a whole lot of money. Both of these vehicles come in at just over $300, include everything in the box. So inside the box you get your vehicle, an instruction manual, some tools, a little bit of extra spare parts, a charger, and the controller or the radio. So these vehicles are brushed. They don't have the crazy fast speed or the higher end brushless motors. However, each of these vehicles are available in the brushless models. The brushless models come in a little bit over $100 more expensive, and you do still have to buy the battery and charger for those, which is again why we like to kind of recommend these as starters for the average individual who just wants to get into it. So again, as I mentioned, 1/10 scale, very common size. It's one of the most common sizes that we offer. Comparable vehicles to this would also be some of the vehicles offered from Traxxas. The Traxxas Slash would be direct competition to the Sentin. The Stampede would be direct competition to this one as well. So again, in that entry-level kind of starter range. So what's great about these vehicles, these are actually version 3 of the Granite and the Sentin. The two vehicles themselves are very similar. So the major differences between the two of them is the tires, the bumpers, the bodies of course, and then on the Sentin, it has a longer chassis for a longer wheelbase. But other than that, the two of them are virtually the same vehicle. So it just really depends, I guess, on what your preference is in terms of the aesthetic or the type of vehicle that you're looking for. These are 4-wheel drive. Version 3 comes to us with a few slight modifications. What they've done, upgraded some of the bumpers on these vehicles to make them a little bit stronger. They've upgraded some of the bracing, and they've also upgraded the diffs and some of the components relating to the driveline in order to make them a little bit more ready for upgrade if you do at some point want to upgrade to a brushless setup. The other thing that's a really nice bonus with the version 3 is that they give you a bigger battery. Not quite twice the size of what the previous one was, but basically it's going to give you something that's more in line with what a lot of the other vehicles offer as far as runtime. And with this vehicle, you can probably expect 20-25 minutes depending on how hard you're pushing or how you're driving. Again, ARRMA is a great vehicle. They offer a really good product at an inexpensive price. And again, they do like to continually upgrade their vehicles in small ways just to make them better. So if you're looking for an RC car but don't want to spend a whole lot of money, these two would be a great option. Come on in, see us. If you have any questions, we can certainly show you what we have, explain any answers or questions that you have, and go from there. So if you like what you see, certainly subscribe, like our videos, and we'll continue to bring you information. Thanks very much.